Namaskar. Let's talk something simple and at the same time complex. Let's talk abstract. Let's talk esoteric. Let's talk life itself. How do you take life and what do you think life is all about? Is life is all about your personal growth, or is life a way of living collectively with your surrounding, your society, your family, and so on? What do you focus on? Do you focus on the personal achievement? Do you focus on the personal sense of being right all the time at the cost of what others think or feel about? That actually decides whether you're happy or not. If you're focused on being right all the time, with the superiority of the knowledge which you have, with the superiority of the experience which you have, you may be right, and you may be able to prove others wrong with your intelligence and with your logic and reasoning, etc., etc. But that does not win you friends. I'm not saying that you should say yes, yes, yes to everybody all the time at the cost of your heart and what your mind is saying. But the fact is, what is more important? You have to take the call in a specific moment. Is being right, or is agreeing with others and looking from their point of view also is right? This cannot be different from your personal life and your professional or business life, because all life is one. You can't compartmentalize your activities in one part of life differently from other part of life differently, and that is the mistake which most of the people make when they try to live in different fashion in the office and in a different fashion in the family, in the house, because you cannot have two identities. You are basically one, and if you're basically one, you cannot have two sets of attitude. One of them will be false, it will be fake. You have to put on this particular face whenever you're dealing with that particular thing, and that gives you also the unease of, because nobody can be fake for a very very long time. And even if you're fake for a very long time, at the end of it, when we are all parting this world, that is the time we realize, and then we get dissatisfied with our own behavior, our own activities throughout the life. So don't you think that it is wise to start thinking from today, whether you are 25 or 55 or 60, even 65, and come to a conclusion that no, I want to live a happy life. At the same time, I want to have a happy death also. At my deathbed, I don't want any dissatisfaction, no criticism, no judgment, loving all the people. And at the same time, I want everybody to do that to me, so that the equation is balanced and I live a life fully satisfied. Thank you very much.